Today I am going to teach you how to flour a pan, use an electric mixer, and use a cutting board and knife. To flour a pan, you will need a pan and some spray olive oil. You will want to spray your pan with the spray olive oil. Then what you will want to do is you will want to get a tablespoon of flour and you will want to shake that into your pan. After that, you should lightly shake your pan so that you can cover all the sides of your pan. You want to make sure to get the bottom and the sides so that whatever you're baking doesn't stick to the pan. Recipes often call for flouring a pan when baking cakes or quick bread. Next, I will teach you how to use an electric mixer. So first get a bowl and of course your electric mixer. Then you will need to grab some beaters. Ask a parent or other adult who knows how to work your mixer to help you put the beaters into your mixer. Personally, for my mixer, all you have to do is just kind of shove the beaters in there and rotate it until you hear a click. When you hear the click, the beaters are secure. You want to make sure that your beaters are secure so that they don't go flying out when you turn the mixer on. Then you just repeat for the other side. Then you want to lower the beaters into the food before you turn on your motor. You also want to plug it in. Then you turn your motor on. Now turn your motor off and use a spoon or spatula to gently scrape off any excess batter left on the beaters. Make sure to keep fingers and utensils away from the beaters when the mixer is on. That could lead to injury. Now you are going to learn how to use a cutting board and knife. First, gather your ingredients and utensils. You will need a cutting board, a knife, and whatever you're going to cut. In this case, I'm using carrots. So you want to place one hand firmly on the cutting board and on the end of what you're cutting so that you don't cut your fingers. Then you simply cut away from your fingers. You have to be very careful that your fingers are not in the line of fire. When cutting round objects such as carrots or apples, you want to make one cut very carefully first so that each of the cut pieces have at least one flat edge. When they have a flat edge, you can more easily cut them in a safer manner.